Hey, Verlinda Sweeting here. Today we're going to be talking about Safelist advertising. So if this is a method that you want to use, you want to stick with it, and just know that with Safelist you're going to have to really be patient, okay? When I started marketing online in 2009, I was only able to afford my one product, which was almost $20 a month. I can only afford $20 a month at that time, and I didn't have an advertising budget. Okay, now I do, but back then I did not. So I was really looking for a way to make money from home, and I was home, and so I had a lot of time on my hands. So Safelist is where I started, okay? And I only used Safelist. I wasn't doing video marketing at that time. I wasn't doing talking to people on Facebook or anything like that. I was only focused using Safelist, and I post in them every day, okay? So if you can send an email to your friend, you can post an ad on these Safelist that I'm about to show you. So I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'm going to kind of go through how you get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to be using one of the capture pages from your back office of Now Lifestyle. So you should already know how to get that, but you're just going to go inside your back office, grab your link that you want to use. Hopefully you have it on a notepad already, and if this one's one that you're going to use, then you're going to use that one and stick with it, okay? If you're going to be using the Gateway to Success page, this page right here, if you're going to be using that, then you use this and stick with it, okay? The second thing you're going to need is an ad. All right, so I have an ad here, and if you want to get ads, get a hold of those, you want to make sure that you're in our private Gateway to Success Facebook group, and then click on ad copy, and I have ad copy there that you can use for the Safelist, okay? So one or the other. In this video I'm going to use this one, all right, but whatever you use, you want to stick with it, okay? You want to keep using it, all right? You want to also keep using the same title or subject headline, I mean the same body, okay? The same link. You want to keep using it consistently all the time. All right, so what's going to happen is you're going to be posting your ads, and they're going to be going inside of Safelist members' Gmail accounts, okay? So it's not their primary, it's just a separate Gmail from your primary where all of your Safelists will be here, okay? So we'll get into that. Now, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so here's an example of a Safelist. This is called Ad Troopers. There are members in this Safelist, and you can see there's 14,147 active members, all right? And this is the owner, okay? And this is called Ad Troopers, okay? This one is called List Builder Mayhem, and you know, they all look different. They all have different scripts. You see, this is List Joe. I love this one. It's been around for a very long time. And then these, of course, I'll talk about these. These are several different mailers. So if you know, like classified ads, for example, there are so many classified ads online. It's crazy. Well, with Safelist, there are so many different Safelists online. It's crazy. So the more Safelists that you're in, the better, because you'll be able to reach like different people, and some of them are not. Like, for example, you might be in this Safelist, right? Ad Troopers, but someone else might not be. So you may find them over here at List Builder Mayhem, okay? And if they're not over here, maybe you'll find some people over here because they're not a part of this, right? So you don't want to just join 1 or 5 or whatever. You could do that to start, to get your feet wet, but I put 10 below so you can get started with that, so you can get comfortable. But then after that, once you get comfortable, you want to join more Safelists, okay? And I'm only saying this if you don't have a budget at all. You know, you're going to be spending your time doing this. I'm just giving you information on free advertising sources. Okay, as a free member, you'll only be able to email free members. There's people who will upgrade. So as a free member, you're not going to be able to reach 14,147 members. You will have to upgrade if you want to reach an amount of these members, okay? Now, we're only talking about free, so we're going to stick with that. Okay, so remember, we're going to be using this, and let me go ahead and we're going to be using this, and let me go ahead and start showing you how this works, okay? Alright, so what they're going to do, of course, they're going to give you these offers, you know, if you want to buy a solo ad, so you can send them to, you know, everyone in the safe list. They're going to give you that opportunity. And so we're going to go, no thanks, please take me to the members area. Now, I have a lot of credits here, okay? And you'll also see where, you know, if you click around, you'll notice where you'll see, you know, places where you can upgrade and all that. But let's just go here so I can show you how this works. So this is where you'll be sending your ad, okay? So like I said before, if you can send an email out to your friend, then you know how to do this, okay? You just need your ad copy, and you're going to go and get your ad copy from our Gateway to Success Facebook group, and you're going to click on ad copy so that you can have all that there. So I'm going to choose a subject, okay? I'm going to choose my body, grab it, and boom, okay? And you're going to use the same one for each safe list. You're not going to change it. You're going to use your subject and your message body over and over in each safe list. Okay? Now, the only thing I need to do is grab my link, okay, which is this. I just have a tracking link, okay, that I pay for. But you can just use your direct link, or if you want to use this one, you can. But again, we're using this page for now. All right, which is good to use because they're going to go on our list as customers. Okay, so there's that. And credits. Now, as a free member, I'm only able to send to 4,500 members. Okay, because I'm not upgraded, I can only reach a small amount of people. Okay, so I'm going to enter 4,500. Remember, we're talking about free sources. We didn't pay for anything. We just joined it, and we're posting our ads. All right, so eventually you're going to get low on credits, and I'm going to show you how to do that too. So send now. All right, so you can see here, as long as everything is in the green, you're good to go. So I'm going to click confirm so it can send. Let's move on. Log in. Okay. We're going to skip all these offers. All right, here's another mailer here. I'm going to click on send mailer. Okay, my browser already remembered my information. This is what I'm going to do, copy it. I'm going to paste it in there, and I'm going to fix this one up a bit because it has HTML in it. Okay, you can make it a little darker. All right. Okay. Some safe lists you can add your link in there. Some you can't. But for this one, I'm gonna. Oops! How did that happen? Let's try this again. Copy. Here you go. I wanted to open in a new window. Okay. Good. So now I'm going to copy this so I don't have to Control C. C as in cat. And then there's my URL, which is promoting this. Okay. And look at this. My ad is already ready. And then there's the credits that I'm allowed to use. They tell you which one you're allowed to use. And your message will be sent to one member for every credit used. So I'm going to be sending my ad to 3,369 members of this particular safe list. Everyone who's a member here, I'm going to be sending it out to 3,000. Now there's more members than that, but because I'm a free member, I'm only allowed to send to 3,369. Okay, and if I have any people that I referred to List Mayhem, which I do, I can send it out to them too. But if you're starting new, you won't have any downline members. So I'm going to click send. And just like the last one, we're going to wait. We're in the green, so everything's good. Confirm. Done. Let's move on. Okay, this is easy. It just, takes a lot of time. And I'm only doing a couple safe lists for the sake of this video, but once I finish doing this video, I'm going to take about 2 hours and just start posting in the safe lists, okay, because I have a lot of them that I join. So send mail, I already know I have a lot of credits here. Okay, so as a free member, when you join List Joe, you're going to be able to send up to 1,000 credits per mailing. So you're going to be sending out emails to 1,000 people, and it's going to be hitting their Gmail accounts. Okay. Over here are spotlight ads. You have to pay for this type of advertising. There's some more here. Okay. Alright, so this is all the credits that I have. I have more than enough. 2 people in my downline. I don't really promote Safelist. Okay. I just share it and I just tell people what to do, and you're either joining under the admin or someone else. So I'm just here to show you how it's done. But all of these are different mailers, subject lines that I've done in the past, because like I said, I've been using mailers since 2009. So here's my ad from the previous one that I've done. It's already set, so I don't have to type in anything. And with this safe list, because I said all of them are different, they actually have a feature where you can look at your message. So when someone opens up their email, they can see your ad, okay? And then when they click on it, they'll be able to view your website and get credits. So check this out. They'll click on it, and this is what it would look like. They're going to see, well, they're not going to see it yet. You're not going to see it clicking on it, but you get credits just for looking at someone's ad. It's just an example. So this is done, this is ready, and we're just going to click send. It's done. Alright, now if you're done posting your ads for the day, tomorrow you want to do it again, and I recommend doing it at the same time. But you can post safe lists anytime. So let me show you here. Don't get overwhelmed with this. But what I do is I go down the list. I go down the list and do as much as I can in one day. And I'll take a break. Okay, you don't want to sit in front of the computer all day. Okay, you do need to get your legs going and all that, which is why I love Now Lifestyle, because you need to be moving. And when I created this video, I had that in mind, of people who are just constantly on the computer and they forget about their health, okay? And they're sitting in front of the computer and just eating, they're not moving around, and the next thing you know, oh my gosh, you just gained like 15 pounds from doing what? Sitting in front of your computer all day. You're grinding away, and then you realize, oh my goodness, look at this, I can't even fit my shirt anymore. So make sure you get up and you're moving and you're doing your workouts. You're doing something to move around. You don't want to sit down all day, okay? So that's what I do. I go through this list. There's a lot of them that I'm not a member of, but the ones that I am, I click in them, okay? And there's something that's going to happen. You're going to run out of credits. And when you do, you're going to have to come to your Gmail, okay? So for example, let's look for ad troopers. Say if you run out of credits, you don't have enough to mail, okay? So let's find it here. You're going to need to learn how to filter, and I have a video that'll show you how to do all of that. So you're really, really good to go. I have everything set for you. There's an article right here that you can check out, and it'll show you how to filter your Gmail right here, how to filter. So in a nutshell, I tell you what to do. You join the safe list, you verify your safe list, okay? Verifying means you're going to go to your Gmail that you created, and there's going to be a link inside for you to click on it, okay? In order to activate your safe list, in order to use it, you have to verify your safe list, okay? And then after that, you're going to filter. So you're going to click this, and it's going to explain to you how to organize your safe list where it can look just like this. They're all organized, you see? So instead of coming directly to your inbox and you're seeing all this mess here, you have it organized neatly. Okay, so every time you join a safe list, you'll be filtering it and all of that. Okay, and then you want to log into your safe list. All right, we went through that, and you want to post your ads, and then you want to join the next safe list and repeat steps 1 through 6. Okay, to earn more credits, that also shows you how to do that. This is video here. Whenever you run out of credits, you're going to need to go into your Gmail. Okay, so I said I was looking for ad troopers. Here it is here. We're doing this safe list. So let's just say you came here to your home page and you noticed you had 0 credits into your account. And that means you need, I think it was 3,500, I believe. I don't remember for this one. So you're going to need to click. This is why safe list takes so much time, because you got to do all these clicking. But if you don't want to do all these clicking, you can buy credits. You can also send solo ads out to all the mailers or all over the place. But like I said, you know, if you're on a budget, stick with the free advertising. If you're going to be using paid and buying stuff, I recommend you just go and, you know, do some of the resources below of the paid advertising. Okay. All right. So here's how you click credits. You just open it up, and I like to hold the control key down and just click my mouse on it. And you see that opened up there? Now I'm not going to sit there and look at it. I'm going to open up the next one. Scroll down. Okay, I'm going to open up the other. Click. It takes a time to get familiar with how this goes, but you'll get comfortable with it. And if you need help, you want one-on-one help, that's what I'm here for. Send me a message, and I will literally take my time to show you how to do anything that you want to know. Okay? So you just click your credits, get your credits, keep moving on. There's someone promoting Now Lifestyle. You see, we're not the only ones, so these do work. All right? Get your credits, that. Here we go. And there we go. And you're just going to close them out. Once your credit is finished, close it out. And you can also refresh your page. I actually just closed that one out. You can refresh your page like this, and that way you can see, am I up to 3,500 yet? You know, but when you join, they should give you credits. You also have a promo code here. You can, you know, get a promo code. They should give you one when you join, and then you enter the promo code here. That way you'll be able to send out your first mailing. Okay, so I hope that was good for you. Again, just, you know, follow the instructions here. Start here at the top. Okay, create 2 Gmail accounts, and this is what you'll need to name them. Maybe your name is Sue, so you'll call it Sue List Emails, or Sue List Mails. You want to have a list mail, and you want to have a contact. Okay, and then if you don't know how to get your free account, you just click on it and you'll get it here. Create your 2 accounts. And then right here, this LastPass is free, but basically what it does is it's right here, and whenever you create your safe list, instead of, you know, logging into them, it automatically puts your password and all of that in there. It saves it. Okay, it's a password protector, and you can also use it to you can set it up where it can post your advertising for you. So let me see if I can use an example really quick with that. Oh, that's not found. And this is the reason why I don't, you know, upgrade in many safe lists, because some of them will be around for a long time, and then you don't know how long they're going to be around, and then they're gone. So okay, let's list unlock. Okay, you see that? LastPass automatically filled it in for me, so I don't have to dig around and look for it. LastPass automatically knows my password. You know, once you set up, it's free. You put it right there at your browser. So let's log into this and let's see if I can show you what it does. I hope it does what it does. So I'm going to skip this. Look, we're going to talk about login ads. These are really, really good. Okay, login ads. All right. We're going to get into talking about that very, very soon in the video below. So just keep this in mind. This is called a login ad, and when we get to it, you'll understand how it works. So we're just going to skip that. I don't have any credits here, but let's just see. All right. Is it going to work? Okay. So with LastPass, it's a form filler. Okay. So this is a form. So if I wanted to send something out, do I have anything for? No, I don't. So let me just do an example. I'm going to click on it and look. You see what it does? You see that? It automatically filled out everything for me. All I have to do is add my credits and send the email. Did you just see that? Let me refresh it and show you again. All right. That article that I told you, it shows you how to do all of that. I have it set up as HTML, but this is text version. So I'm going to click on it. See? I didn't have to go to my notepad. I didn't paste anything. I just set it up in LastPass, and you know, it's already set for you. I just have to set one up for Now Lifestyle. I haven't done that yet. So that is it. That is how you use Safelist. You're basically posting ads consistently every single day. Don't miss a day. You want this to work. Don't stop. If you stop, you have to start all over again. So you want to be consistent because you want people to keep seeing your ads, and what happens is, you know, the more consistent you are, you can stay, you know, pretty close up here, because people are going to be opening up these emails and they're going to be either grabbing their credits too on the go, and then they'll stumble over your site and they're going to be like, oh my goodness, I'm looking for an additional way to make money online. And then they'll watch the video, create their account, or if you're using this one, they'll say, okay, let me go ahead and do this, and then I'll get back to it later after I send it out. Or you'll have people who are actually looking for to make some money from home. Whatever the case may be, you're out there and you want to be seen. Okay, if no one sees your site, no one is going to know that you're in business. And regardless if you're using free or paid advertising, you want to be consistent. So I'm going to stop right here because I'm into 22 minutes, and Safelist, you can go on and on and on talking about it, but with anything, you just have to keep doing it every day. So that's Safelist. It's a free advertising source. We didn't spend anything to do it. The only thing you're spending is your time. You're not spending money, you're spending your time. And that's the thing that happens. You either spend your time or you spend your money. Okay? So if this is a method that you can only do and you're really wanting to make this work online, you have to be patient with these viral mailers or Safelist or list builders. They're, you know, they're all different. But read everything here. Okay? Complete the task and start joining these free Safelists. They're free. Okay? And once you get comfortable, you can join more and, you know, post in them daily. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Safelist advertising. I'll see you in the next video.